Hawk in the bird bath. How do I zoom?
He's a big dude,
It's gonna be a horrible video. Well, actually, sometimes he does a total plunge. He like totally immerses himself in that 2-gallon bird
He's
bath.
watching us. He's hearing us talk. He's
Yeah, but he's cool.
a little distracted.
Well, I'm distracted too by this fella right here. Him. He's bothering me. Wally, you want to say your piece? Yeah, you're a bothersome dude. That's makes me feel better about my life that I clean the bird bath 3 times a week. That somebody gets in it. Really makes me feel better. The better picture is when I don't zoom in. God, I swear this is picking up my heartbeat.